Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to cook couscous in rice cooker. Okay, this is the couscous I'm going to be cooking today. This is what I'm going to be cooking today, couscous in rice cooker. And I'm cooking it in the form of jollof, just how they have jollof rice. I'm making jollof couscous. Okay, so how to cook couscous in rice cooker. So this is my rice cooker right here. So I'll just go about introducing some of my stuff to you guys. I have onions right here. I love onions, guys. I have shrimp right here. I have mixed vegetable. I have meat. I have garlic. I love fresh garlic, guys. I have vegetable oil. And I have my seasonings, guys. Yep. And I also have couscous right in here. So I'm gonna be cooking maybe 4 cups of couscous, but I got 2 cups right here, so I'm gonna be measuring the rest of them. So this is the couscous bag right here. How to cook couscous in rice cooker, guys. Follow me, let's do this together. So I have 2 cups here. The first thing I'm gonna be doing is to take this pot from the rice cooker right here. I'm gonna dress the rice cooker, and I'm just gonna be putting this couscous in the rice cooker right here, guys. So I already measured this, guys, but for the sake of camera, you guys want to measure this again. I'm gonna do this. So this is 1 cup right here, and this is 2 cups. So I'm gonna be cooking maybe 4 cups of couscous today. So I'll be opening this one right here. So we already got 2 cups in there. And this is 3. Guys, what do you think? Should we cook 3 cups or 4? Let's make it 4 and see. So this is 4 right here. We got 4 cups of couscous. So I'm just gonna be washing my couscous right here. I'm gonna put this cup aside, and then just come in the sink right here. Wash it with hot water. You can wash it with whatever temperature. Be it hot, cold, or warm, it's okay. Yeah, but I'm gonna be washing this with hot water. Okay, guys. So I'm going to be showing you guys the secret about cooking couscous. I know most of you guys been struggling about how to cook couscous, but you are at the right place. So to cook couscous, you do not need a lot of water to cook couscous. Okay, guys, you don't need a lot of water to cook couscous. Okay, so I'm just going to be measuring this. I just need to put like maybe 1 cup of water on this couscous right here. 1 cup is okay. Let me see. Yeah, this 1 cup is okay. So I'm just gonna be putting just a little more. Let's say we got 2 cups of water on this couscous right here. You don't need a lot of water to cook couscous. And then I have my seasonings right here. If you've been following me, I think you should know my seasoning by this time. I have crown vita, I have black pepper, I have salt, I have accent, I have red pepper, chili pepper, and the rest of them. So I'm just gonna be stirring it to put it on this right in here. Then I'm just gonna be mixing this couscous up. Okay, guys, I'll be mixing it up like this. Make sure you stir it good. Okay, stir it nicely. Okay, make sure and mix everything up so the seasoning can go into it. Yeah, so you do not need a lot of water to cook couscous. The only thing you need is heat. So now, so this is the meat right here. It's already, this is a smoked meat right here. It's smoked. Yeah. So oh, I'm not doing a lot of stuff. Okay, then I'm gonna come in with my garlic. Guys, I love fresh garlic. This is the garlic right here. I'll just be putting the garlic over here like this. And then I'll be putting this fresh onion right here. I love this onion. Yeah. I hope I did not put a lot of couscous there. Then I'm gonna be putting this shrimp right in here. Okay, guys. This is shrimp right here. And just like this. Right here. And I have the mixed vegetable, but guys, next time if you're using pot, if your rice cooker size is like this, I'll recommend you use 3 cups of rice. It's gonna be fine. Yeah, I'll try to overload this pot, but it's not bad. I'm gonna be putting this mixed vegetable over this right here. I'm gonna be putting this mixed vegetable, guys. This is frozen vegetable. Yeah. Oh my god. I think this is just too much. Okay. Then after putting this vegetable in, oh my god, I'm not sure the top gonna fit. Yeah. Then I have a vegetable oil right here. This is the vegetable oil, which I'm gonna be putting around it. So if you're somebody who don't like a lot of oil, I just recommend you to put 3 tablespoons of oil. Yeah. And you're just gonna cook this couscous like the same form you cook jollof rice, but it's jollof couscous. Then I should use this top, but I'm not sure this top gonna fit, so I'm gonna be using another top for this part. Okay, y'all. But before I do it, let me just let me put this rice. Let me put the couscous in the rice cooker, and I'm gonna look for a better top for this. Okay. So guys, because I need a lot of heat to make this food done, because I need a lot of heat to cook this food, I'll be covering it with a Ziploc bag. Okay. It's a brand new Ziploc bag. It's optional though. You don't even have to put Ziploc bag, but for me, yeah, I just need a lot of heat. So I got a Ziploc bag, but I'm just gonna rinse it for a little while and put it over the food. So after rinsing this Ziploc bag, I'm gonna be putting it over my food right here like this, right here. And then the next thing I'm gonna be doing is covering this. Guys, this is an African kitchen, okay? We cook the African way. We cook the African way in the African kitchen. Yeah. Just like this. And cover it up. This is not the right top for this rice cooker, but I'm using another top because the other top, like I just overload this rice cooker. And then I'm gonna be plugging this stuff in the wall, because as I told you guys, if you're using electronics in your house and you have kids in your house, especially things like rice cooker, toaster and other stuff like blender, I usually unplug them because I have kids in my home. Yeah, you know, sometimes these kids be fast. So I'm gonna plug this right here. So now this is my rice cooker right here, and I'm just gonna be putting it on like this. And this is very fast and easy to work with. It's super easy to use. What I'm gonna be doing is just press this button right down here, and then it start cooking. How do I know that this food is ready? You're gonna know when the red light stop and they come to this. When you see this orange or yellow light on, which means it's ready. But now it's on because the red light is on. So we're gonna let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're gonna come back to check inside, guys. Stay tuned for the result. I can't wait to see this result. Thank you. So family, this is how the couscous look like, and Don't be surprised when you see something like this in a pot when you make crust. It's okay. It's normal for this couscous to make crust, okay? Guys, I can get this. I'm just going to be soaking it to get it off the pot, okay? So this is my couscous right here. This is how I cook my couscous in my rice cooker, guys. So we got so many things we can do in this rice cooker. Yeah, so some of us will just keep this rice cooker at home to just cook rice in it. But you got so many things to do here. How should I call this? Should I call this jollof couscous? Because I know they got jollof rice and I cook this in the front of jollof. So I will call this jollof couscous. So this is how I cook my couscous in my rice cooker. I have a video about how to cook fried rice in a rice cooker, how to cook potatoes in rice cooker, just a lot of stuff. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff about our rice cooker and other stuff in our home, okay guys? So just let me know in the comment section below what you think of this food. Yeah, as you can see here, this is my shrimp here. I have a lot of them. This is how I cook my couscous, guys. Yeah, so I took about 15 minutes to cook this in the rice cooker. Yeah, so yeah, just fast and easy, very simple. So now it's still hot. This is my evening dinner. I mean, this is what my family and I are going to be having for dinner tonight. Yeah, so guys, just let me know in the comment section below what you think of this. Yeah, you can do so many stuff in your rice cooker. You just have to keep trying. I just learned this by myself. I just like, if I can make a fried rice in the rice cooker, why can't I try to make couscous in this rice cooker too? And then boom, guys, I try it. Came out, the result was so perfect. Yeah, so just let me know in the comment section below what you think of this. Okay? So couscous for dinner tonight. Yeah. So I got shrimp in here. I got meat. I have a mixed vegetable and I got seasoning. It's well seasoned. Yeah, it's well seasoned. Okay. So guys, I would recommend when you're cooking this couscous in this size of, if you have the same size like this, just use like 2 or 3 cups will be fine. But I actually overload my rice cooker. I have to use different tap for this. That was crazy, guys. Yeah, so this is how I cook my couscous. So we have so many stuff to make in rice cooker. Once again, my name is Rosemary. If you are joining me for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for tuning into my channel. And to my subscribers, I say thank you so much for your support. I really, really appreciate you guys. With all your support, I don't know how it was going to look like, guys. So, like, as I told you guys, I'm a new content creator. Yeah, I'm still looking for my niche. I'm just doing just a little bit of everything until I can find what is best for me. So if you can help me, just do me a favor. You can just watch few videos on my page and just let me know which one you think will be the best for me, so I can just focus on it instead of just doing just a little bit of everything. I just want to have a particular thing to be doing on my page. I really appreciate you guys. Okay, so we have so many things to do in rice cooker. Yeah, so many things we can do in rice cooker. I have a video about how to cook potato in rice cooker, how to make fried rice in rice cooker, just a lot of things, many more things to do in rice cooker. Okay, y'all, so if you found this video helpful, please share. And my rice cooker is very fast and easy to use. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, y'all, yeah, I love you so much. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. I love you so much, and you are wholeheartedly invited to the Rosemary Kitchen to have dinner with my family and I tonight. Okay, yeah. So this is the natural color of this couscous. I did not put color in it. Yeah, I see most people when they're making jollof, yeah, they put color in, but I did not put color in. This is the natural color. Yeah, I don't like to put coloring on my food. Food coloring, I don't like it. Yeah, I just like my food to be that natural. So yeah, this is it. So just let me know now. Thank you so much. I love you. Mwah. Mwah. Bye bye.